Turkey is gradually closing the gap in its domestic naval air defense capabilities, a fact underscored by the latest test of its domestically developed close-in weapon system CIWS. The GÖKDENİZ, designed and manufactured by ASELSAN in collaboration with local defense companies. The GÖKDENİZ family aims to provide Turkish warships with a reliable last-ditch defense against anti-ship missiles, fast attack craft, and other close-in threats. Live fire and qualification tests on board the ship were conducted in realistic sea conditions to validate the detection, tracking, and deployment chain from sensor to gunner. During these tests, the system demonstrated autonomous target detection and tracking, and successfully destroyed a high-speed seaborne target used to simulate the classic anti-ship missile mission set for modern CIWS. The GÖKDENİZ is a twin-barreled 35mm CIWS that combines a rapid-fire automatic cannon with modern sensors and fire control electronics. When loaded with ASELSAN's programmable 35 by 228mm ATOM ammunition, the system increases the hit probability against small, maneuvering air threats by detonating airburst rounds at a precisely calculated point ahead of the incoming target. ASELSAN states an effective range of approximately 4 kilometers for air targets when ATOM rounds are used. The turret offers 360 rotation and can operate autonomously or integrated with the ship's combat management system. The CIWS is the last line of defense for surface ships when long-range missile defense systems are saturated or destroyed. By fielding an indigenous CIWS, Turkey reduces reliance on foreign systems, shortens the logistics chain, and keeps sensitive sensor and fire control technology under domestic control. Integration into Turkish-built MILGEM frigates and export integration to foreign vessels. The system has been installed on new Philippine Navy corvettes. Also demonstrate the program's maturity from prototype to deployment-ready product. This technology significantly increases the probability of destruction, turning each burst of fire into a precision-guided curtain of destruction. In essence, each round becomes its own micro-interceptor, a hallmark of next-generation air defense systems. The sophistication of the CIWS goes beyond its firepower. The GÖKDENİZ is fully compatible with modern combat management system CMS, allowing it to operate as part of an integrated defense network. The system communicates with shipboard radar and missile systems, forming a multi-layered shield that can counter threats from various ranges. In joint operations, the GÖKDENİZ can share tracking data and threat information with other units, a leap toward network-centric naval warfare. More than just its combat capabilities, the development of a domestic CIWS marks a significant milestone for the Turkish defense industry. It demonstrates mastery of radar technology, fire control algorithms, programmable ammunition, and high-speed servo systems, critical technologies once dominated by a handful of global powers. This independence ensures that Turkish naval platforms, from MILGEM corvettes to future destroyers, will no longer be dependent on foreign suppliers for their last-mile defense systems, a strategic advantage, both in wartime readiness and export potential. CIWS concepts vary. Weapon-based like the GÖKDENİZ or missile-based ram-LEDs. Gun-based systems offer a high rate of fire and cost-effective programmable airburst munitions against a wide range of targets. Missile systems typically offer longer range. By combining a modern fire control suite and programmable munitions, GÖKDENİZ is positioned to be a competitive gun-based option for navies seeking domestic support solutions. Independent observers have noted its relevance for littoral and blue water navies facing advanced anti-ship missile threats. In addition to fleet protection, successful CIWS trials strengthen Turkey's defense export credentials. ASELSAN's marketing and recent overseas deployments demonstrate interest from partner navies preferring a ready-to-use, combat-proven CIWS solution without the export restrictions tied to a few Western suppliers. Continued demonstrations and deployments at events like IDF have served to bolster these export efforts. Turkey's CIWS testing program marks a practical step in translating capability development into operational reality. By validating its detection, tracking, and interception performance in sea trials and combining modern programmable munitions with rapid-fire cannons, ASELSAN and its partners have produced a credible point defense system that strengthens national naval resilience and has export potential for navies operating in high-threat coastal areas. A proven indigenous CIWS, such as the GÖKDENİZ, is a crucial component of ship self-defense. The essence of a CIWS lies in reaction time. When an incoming missile is detected, the system has only seconds to identify, track, and destroy it before it hits its target. GÖKDENİZ achieves this with incredible precision, supported by fully automated radar and electro-optical sensors capable of detecting and tracking multiple supersonic targets simultaneously, high-speed ballistic computing, calculating the precise point at which each shell must detonate to neutralize the target, autonomous fire control, enabling the weapon to operate without human delay, engaging threats instantly within seconds. This rapid response system transforms warships into steel fortresses, capable of intercepting missiles, aircraft, and even fast-moving naval drones before they reach striking range. One of GÖKDENİZ's most advanced features is its use of the 35mm ATOM airburst ammunition, developed by ASELSAN. Unlike conventional rounds, atom rounds are electronically programmed just before leaving the barrel. The rounds explode at a predetermined distance in the air, releasing a cloud of tungsten fragments that destroy incoming missiles or drones with devastating effect. As threats become more rapid and complex, CIWS will continue to evolve. Future iterations could incorporate AI-assisted tracking, directed energy weapons, or drone interception capabilities, forming an integrated defense network at sea. Today, Turkey's GÖKDENİZ is one of the most advanced gun-based CIWS in the world, a testament to how national innovation and precision engineering can produce a weapon that combines automation, intelligence, and incredible firepower into one compact defensive marvel. The sophistication of a CIWS lies not only in its ability to fire thousands of rounds per minute, but also in its intelligence, the capacity to detect, disconnect, and destroy in a matter of seconds. Turkey's GÖKDENİZ exemplifies this brilliance, a machine that transforms milliseconds into survival and technology into sovereignty.